Welcome to GP English Grammar. This is GP Yadav, teacher of English. In the previous videos, we knew about Greek words and Latin words, singular noun and plural noun, duplicative type, alliterative type, rhyming words. In this video, we are going to learn a wonderful topic which is very useful for 10th class students, that is types of compound words. There are mainly three types of compound words in English language, which are namely hyphenated compound words, closed compound words, open compound words. These are the three compound words. Let us know one by one in detail. What are hyphenated compound words? Hyphenated compound words place a hyphen between the two words are called hyphenated compound words. Here there are two words. There is a hyphen between the two words. This is called hyphenated compound words. It is very easy to identify the hyphenated compound words because there is a hyphen between the two words. Let us observe the following examples. High speed, high tech. If you observe these two examples, high speed, here there are two words. Between the two words, what is there? Hyphen. So this is suitable for hyphenated compound word. High tech. Here there is a hyphen between the two words. These are called hyphenated compound words. In the same way, the following words are purely related to hyphenated compound words. Let us know about this. Part-time, time-saving, newly formed, kind-hearted, white-collar, newly wedded, self-employment, pebble-strewn, gold-plated, homemade, well-mannered, double-paced. These are the suitable examples for hyphenated compound words. Have you understood what are hyphenated compound words? Certainly, I think that you have understood because there is a simple hyphen between two words. Because there is a hyphen between the two words. Let us know about the next closed compound words. What are closed compound words? Closed compound words don't have any space between the two words are called closed compound words. Here there is no space between the two words. Those are called closed compound words. Observe the following examples. Playground. Play is one word, ground is another word, but between these two words, they don't have space. This is the suitable example for closed compound words. Observe the remaining example. Basketball, there is no space between two words. Keyboard, bedroom, however, these are the very suitable examples. Here, there is no difference between hyphenated compound words and closed compound words. Hyphenated compound words, there is a hyphen between two words. Closed compound words, there is no hyphen, there is no space. So two words are joined and get one word. This is called closed compound words. Let us know about what are open compound words. Open compound words have a little space between two words are called open compound words. Observe the following examples. Here, high school. But here there is a little space between the two words, but there is no hyphen. Observe the rest of the examples. School bell, living room, ice cream, tablecloth, first aid, voicemail. These are the suitable examples regarding this. Observe some more examples. Blue sky, post office, air force, clear sight, newly laid, half sung, 5-star. If you observe these examples, there is a little space but there is no hyphen. Among three hyphenated compound words, closed compound words, open compound words, so the three are the different, but there is no confusion for identify the hyphenated compound words, closed compound words and open compound words. Hyphenated compound words, there is a hyphen between two words, and closed compound words, there is no space between two words. Open compound words, there is a little space between two words. So that's why there is no any confusion among three for easily identifying in the examinations. Let us know about compound prepositions. What are compound prepositions? Compound prepositions made up of two or more words. They may be written as one word. This is called compound prepositions. Observe the following examples. In addition to, by the way of, apart from, due to, on account of, in front of, in spite of, in place of, according to, because of, along with. These are the suitable example regarding compound prepositions. How can they give in the examinations? Let us observe the examination model. Put the following words under the correct headings. Under these, 8 words are given. There is a heading hyphenated compound words, closed compound words. From the 8 words, we should identify 4 hyphenated compound words under the heading of hyphenated compound words, and 4 words will be identified under the closed compound words. First of all, we should identify hyphenated compound words because it is very easy to identify. There is a hyphen. Look at this. High tech. Here there is a hyphen. This is under the heading of hyphenated compound words. Time saving. There is a hyphen. Part time. There is a hyphen. Newly formed. There is a hyphen. These 4 words are under the heading of hyphenated compound words. The rest of the words are closed compound words. Let us observe. Basketball, bedroom, however, keyboard. These are called closed compound words because there is no space between the two words. So those are called closed compound words. There is a hyphen between the two words. So those are called hyphenated compound words. Okay, students, have you understood? Is there any confusion? Can you easily identify what are hyphenated compound words and what are closed compound words? This is the way to answer whatever the question may be given. Let us observe the another question. Let us observe the some more example. Put the following words under the correct headings. Here there are 8 words are given and open compound words, closed compound words. We should identify 4 words are under the open compound words. Remaining 4 words are under the closed compound words. First, let us identify school bell, ice cream, tablecloth, living room. These 4 words are under the heading of open compound words. Open compound words means there is a little space. Closed compound words means there is no little space. Playground, basketball, keyboard, bedroom. These 4 words are under the closed compound words. Have you understood what are the open compound words and what are the closed compound words? I think certainly you have understood because open compound words means there is a little space. Closed compound words means there is no little space. This is a way to answer the questions in the examinations very easily. Put the following words under the correct headings. Here there are 8 words are given under this compound preposition phrases, compound adjectives. So sometimes maybe question like this. Business like double paced in addition to well read, by the way of, apart from, clear sighted, due to. First we should identify compound adjectives. Compound adjectives means either open compound words or closed compound words. Sometimes hyphenated compound words are there. First we should identify. Business like, double faced, well read, clear sighted. These are called compound adjectives. The rest of the words are compound prepositions. In addition to, by the way, apart from, due to, these are called compound prepositional phrases. Okay friends, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon button. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.